Welcome back to Shaikhain, a YouTube channel working for the betterment of society, and I am Saeed Shaikh. Let me ask you a question. What do you do and why do you do that? How this will make you feel if you are not clear to your why. If you know your why, not only it will restore your patience to the next level that you could never imagine, and also boost up your confidence. And if you don't know your why, it will make you sad and maybe frustrated. Discovery of why is not only an academic or a commercial exercise. It deeply, deeply relates to you in person and to yourself. There are two important days in everyone's life. One, he or she was born, and the other, when you discover your why. Till we have a powerful and a why, we continue to have a mountain of to-do lists and a lot of things unfinished agenda, that the things which would never start it. Because our willpower is only as strong as our why power. It is an unbeatable force that drives us to move mountains and conquer incredible feats. Remember that the person with strong ambition and reasons of why will defeat the best of the best. So discover yourself, discover your why, know yourself and be confident. May I ask you one more question? Do you like this message? And why? Stay with Shaikhain.